If you're comparing XTB and Trading 2112 in 2025, here's the breakdown you need. XTB is built for traders who want power and depth. With its XStation 5 platform, you get advanced charting, fast execution, and professional tools, plus access to forex, stocks, ETFs, commodities, and even crypto CFDs. It's also heavily regulated and publicly listed, which adds trust and transparency. But fees can kick in after certain limits, and the learning curve is higher. Trading 2212, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity. It's commission-free with a massive catalog of over 13,000 stocks and ETFs, fractional shares, and the Auto Invest Pies feature for easy portfolio building. The mobile-first app is sleek, beginner-friendly, and perfect if you just want to dollar-cost average into stocks without worrying about complex setups. The trade-off is fewer advanced tools and no crypto. So, if you're a serious trader who values research, education, and advanced features, XTB will suit you better. But if you want ease of use, zero commissions, and a wide stock selection, Trading 2212 is the clear winner. Which one do you prefer in 2225? XTB or Trading 2212? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more trading breakdowns.